Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. West Indies wicketkeeper batter Devon has been suspended by the world governing body, the International Cricket Council, and slapped with 7 charges under its anti-corruption code, including contriving to fix matches. Jermaine Brown reports.
Devon, who was named in the West Indies squad for the upcoming 3-match ODI series against the UAE in Dubai, has been given 14 days to respond to 7 charges brought against him by the ICC under its anti-corruption code, including contriving to fix matches. The Antiguan has been suspended in the interim by the world governing body. The charges against the 33-year-old Thomas are with regard to his conduct while playing in 3 franchise-based tournaments, the Lanka Premier League, the LPL, the Abu Dhabi T10 and the Caribbean Premier League, the CPL. The ICC said Thomas had breached the anti-corruption codes at all 3 tournaments, and its anti-corruption unit had been authorized by all 3 boards in question, Sri Lanka Cricket, Emirates Cricket Board and Cricket West Indies, to conduct the investigation on their behalf. In a statement, Cricket West Indies said it would fully support the ACU investigation and that it was resolute about denouncing corruption in cricket. The most serious charge against Thomas of attempting to fix a match is from the 2021 edition of the LPL when he played for Kandy Warriors. Incidentally, Thomas played just 1 game in that edition of the LPL. Overall, Thomas faces 4 charges under the SLC anti-corruption code on his conduct in that tournament. The charges related to the CPL are from the last 2 editions when he played for St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots and Barbados Royals respectively. One of the charges includes failing to report an approach. The second charge is about failing to report the receipt of any gift, payment, hospitality or benefit that he knew or should have known was made in order to procure a breach of the CPL code or could have brought the player or the game of cricket into disrepute. Thomas also faces a single charge under the Emirates Cricket Board when he played in the 2021 edition of the Abu Dhabi T10. He last played for the West Indies in the day-night Adelaide Test against Australia in December 2022, his only appearance in that format. Thomas has also represented the West Indies in 21 ODIs and 12 T20 internationals since his international debut in 2009. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Jermaine.